Hi guys, morning. It's now Sunday. I did record yesterday morning, but then the day kind of ran away. We got really busy, and so I didn't record anymore. So we didn't bother putting it out. You'll have to excuse my hair. I went to bed with wet hair in a messy bun, and so now it's just really big, puffy, and all over the place, as you can see. But oh well, never mind. Yeah, we ended up changing the room around a bit. Something in the kitchen keeps tripping the electric, and we have to get to the cupboard under the stairs for it. But unfortunately, the cupboard under the stairs was behind all of the units we had there, so Duncan had to keep pulling it out each day. So we've changed it around. Let's see if you can work out what we did. So those who might not remember, originally we had these two units and this unit all together going along there, and we had that bookshelf over there. And we did have a table in here, which is now back in my craft room. So we just shifted this one, which was in front of that door, along when we moved these two, and that's just made it better. But I managed to bring in two extra orchids, the one that's next to the printer here and the one in the middle. We had space to put them there as well now. These are just our biscuit tins. This one here is my gluten-free biscuits, and that's the boys. My one plays music because I'm a child and I like music. It's a Christmas one, in case you're wondering what makes me a child. Yeah, so I kind of overdid things and had a bath, and I didn't sleep very well, so I'm not feeling very well today, and I'm in a large amount of pain. But you know, it's at least the room's done. But I did get some crochet done, not as much as I would like, but we do have the blue done and starting on the white. So there we go. So just starting, haven't even done the first row on it yet, but it's coming along quite nicely, and I am liking the way the colours are coming out, so I'm quite happy. I will do the colours the opposite way round on one as well, so the white bits will be the colour and the colour bits will be the white, so I can see how that looks as well. But we'll get this one done first, and then I can double check that the pattern's all correct, make another one from the pattern that I've wrote to make sure that's correct instead of just my notes, and then I'll probably do a tutorial for it as well and then release it on my blog. But for the minute I'm actually about to go and play Animal Crossing because it's Sunday and Turnip Lady is coming, and if you don't play Animal Crossing, there's a lady who sells you turnips on the Sunday, and then for the rest of the week you ask the shop how much they're paying for turnips, and you can make a massive interest on them if you get it on the right day. So that's what I'm doing. I'll see you all later. Bye. Hey guys, so I haven't filmed much today. I've tied my hair up, just messed it out of the way. It was doing my head in, so you'll just have to excuse the mess. You don't really care anyway. I'm not a beauty channel. I've not actually got much done. Kurt wanted to play Magic the Gathering, so I played that with him, and he doesn't like being on camera, so I don't film while I'm playing games with him. We played 3 rounds. The first round I won, yay! The next 2 rounds he completely annihilated me. The last round was actually so bad that he was gonna kill me off so bad I actually surrendered. I just went, I surrender! Which was funny, but that was good fun. I have 2 decks that I play with, so the first round and the second round I played with one of my decks, and then the last round I played with one of my other decks. But he has a lot more, so he has some amazing decks that basically annihilate me when I play. But he'll teach me how to do it all and make up new decks and things, so it's all good. So that's about all I've got done today, because as usual I'm playing on Animal Crossing. It's a bad habit. it's fun, okay? And also I've been outside checking on the bamboo. Duncan's parents were getting rid of a load of bamboo to add to our big pile to do the fencing around the back garden, so that's coming along really nicely. Actually, I'm really happy with that. I will show you it once he's finished doing it, because it's still a work in progress, but it's really nice. And I've got a bunch more bamboo, some much bigger sizes, to use in my crafts as well, so that's going to be fun. I haven't done much crochet. I've just finished the second round on the blue, and I was partway through the first round, so see, I've only got those done. I've got another 2 rounds following the same pattern before, because this is working up, and then I do the thicker single crochet round before coming to the top and doing the shaping around the neck and things. But it's getting there. Hopefully I'll get to work on it more tonight and tomorrow, and we'll get a lot more to show you at some point soon, fingers crossed. I'm catching up with Denise at the moment, Dear Designs. If you haven't seen her or checked out her Instagram recently, go check. Awesome stuff going on over there. But the one I've just watched, I'm really far behind. I've just watched her make spaghetti bolognese and garlic bread with her Sainsbury order, and oh, I miss garlic bread and spaghetti bolognese so bad. I'm now super hungry and really wanting that, but I can't eat it. So, oh well, never mind. So I'm going to get back on doing this, and I might check back in later. I'll see. I don't know. But I'll see you all later. You take care. Bye. Ooh, nearly dropped the camera. That was clever. It's not long ago since I filmed, but I just suddenly remembered I forgot to say. I've ordered my first lot of yarn and dye to test out yarn dyeing, so fingers crossed that comes, and I'm looking forward to it. I'm a little nervous, but it's a really good kit from the looks of it, so once it all arrives I'll open it. I don't think I've told you about that yet. I don't know, anyway. But also something I definitely haven't told you that is payday's happened for us here now, and that means I was able to order my badge making kit, which I have been waiting for since November. And I got really jealous because Denise got hers before me, but mine is now on the way, and I'm so excited. So I'll open that on camera when it arrives as well, so you can see what I got. If you keep seeing my eyes shift, it's because I'm trying to remember to look at the camera lens instead of the camera view screen. But it's hard because my arm moves up and down. I have to keep checking to make sure I'm still in range and not suddenly going woo, because that would be annoying. And so I hope my eyes flicking back and forth isn't too much of a pain. But I'll see you again later. Bye. Hi all, so it's getting late. I think it's about 10 o'clock or something, I'm not sure. So I'm going to finish this vlog here today, but I'm not going to get it edited and put up tonight. I'll just add tomorrow's one on, or depending on how long this one's be, I'll get this one edited and put up tomorrow and continue filming tomorrow for the next vlog. We'll see how it goes, you know. But I've finished the white rose, see, and I'm now on the next pink rose. So that's the colours. So it is getting there, slowly but surely, as they say. So I'll see you all tomorrow. You all take care, and I hope you had a good night's sleep. Bye.